Push-ups are one of the best bodyweight exercises to build a strong upper body, but only if you're doing them the right way. Do them wrong, and not only are you wasting your time, you're killing your gains and setting yourself up for injury. And let's be honest, most people are making at least one of these 5 mistakes. Let's fix that. Mistake number 1, looking up. Cranking your neck up throws your spine out of alignment and puts unnecessary strain on your neck muscles. The fix? Keep your gaze down. Pick a spot on the floor just ahead of your hands and lock in. Your head and spine should stay in one straight line. Mistake number 2, elbows flared at 90 degrees. When your elbows flare straight out to the sides, you're putting your shoulders in a really vulnerable position. The fix? Tuck your elbows at about a 45-degree angle to your torso. From above, your body should look more like an arrow, not a T. Mistake number 3, hips sagging. This dumps pressure into your lower back and cheats the movement in all the wrong ways. The fix? Brace your core, squeeze your glutes, and keep a straight line from your head to your heels. No dipping in the middle. Mistake number 4, shoulders rolling forward. When you let your shoulders roll forward, you take your chest out of the movement and overload smaller stabilizer muscles that burn out fast. The fix? Pull your shoulders back and stay tight throughout the set. Now your push-ups are officially fixed. Click here to watch the next video, the 5 mistakes that are ruining your workouts and how to fix them for good.